Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you the Melbourne suite on Arcadia. Here we go. So we are E64 and here we go. Have to excuse everyone else. Here's Marina.
Hello.
You alright, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, so you come in and then you get this little like lobby area to start with. So you get a nice little cupboard. Everything in. And you get another one there. Actually you get three, didn't you? Hello.
Nice big mirrors as well. Storage up the top.
Storage space there. Yeah.
And this one.
Another one? Oh, is it? There's not. It's an umbrella.
Oh, a nice big
Oh,
umbrella.
there's an umbrella.
No, it's a P&O
Oh,
one.
it's a P&O one. Wow.
And then over here it's
You've
like.
got a nice dressing area, haven't you?
See.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
So nice little lights here. Really good to do your makeup, but it is actually a little bit dark in here, so I'd probably
out there.
Makeup out there.
Look at this.
Wow.
This is giant. So you get all your toiletries here. They're all complimentary.
Double sink.
And double sink, yeah. So you haven't got a queue up.
So this is the White Company. So you get a shampoo, conditioner, bath and shower gel, hand and body lotion, and 2 soaps. And these are bigger than
they are.
what you would usually get in a standard room. And they will probably replenish this, but we can let you know. Side mirror on either side with a cabinet.
Yeah.
Exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
Little flannels in the corner there. You've got your towels up here as well. Shower. So you've got the bath and shower gel in the corner, and it's like a hanging shower.
Very nice. Very nice.
Washing line, just there. I think that's the washing line.
Yeah, and that goes. Where's that tied to? Oh, it goes to that end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Jacuzzi bar.
Jacuzzi bar. Just because.
Hello. And there is another shower here as well.
Yeah.
But this bathroom is huge. This is bigger
It's big enough bathroom.
Our bathroom's probably the size of this little bit in
Yeah,
here.
literally like this little area here.
Bathroom's really nice.
So then you come into.
And it's a curtain.
Oh, alright.
So if you want a bit of privacy. And then over here you've got all the wardrobes.
Oh wow.
Room. Oh yeah, you get complimentary robes and slippers there as well.
Nice.
Which is very nice.
That's good.
Life jackets at the top.
Life jacket B at the top.
Coming over here.
So we come into the room now. And
Nice little
here you
mirror
go.
plant. Cups, glasses, ice bucket down at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Same thing on the other side. Cups, glasses, plate,
Oh wow.
etc.
Is that salt and pepper down there as well? I think it is.
Yep.
Wow.
And then spin round.
Spin round.
You've got a little desk area here with a nice little lamp. And then kettle, tea, coffee machine.
Wow.
Nice little area here. And then giant.
Giant bed. As you go sit on that, just for a comparison, how actually big it is. Because I don't think the video is picking it up, but it's giant.
It is so big. It's massive. And then
That's about, I don't know, 2 metre wide.
on either side you've got your bedside table
Yeah.
with the telephone, little desk area here, little drawers.
What does it say?
Your butler is Anil.
I knew.
That's just. So you've got your phone here, and there is headlights either side.
Headlights?
What are they called then?
Overhead lights.
Overhead lights, same thing. Another big light here.
Oh. Who knows what that one does?
Don't know.
Oh,
there
it
you
does
go.
do that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't need that on.
No, don't need that one.
A Bose
The Bose.
radio.
Wow, look at that. That's old school, that is.
Loads and loads of.
Jeez, it's like storage
here.
everywhere.
Where's the fridge? We haven't found the fridge yet. Oh,
Maybe it's at the end.
massive
Nice flat screen.
Samsung TV.
There's the fridge. There it
Minibar.
is.
I think
Yeah.
you've got to pay for the minibar.
You do, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's just another cupboard.
Stuff.
And then what's up here?
Is that
Just like drinks menu. You get a butler with this room as well.
you do get a butler.
And then a little lovely sofa. Another light. Champagne.
Champagne on arrival, yes.
Ice bucket.
Yeah,
Belgian chocolates.
yeah.
Newspaper. And then there is a balcony as well. Everyone's out there at the moment, so we'll have to show you that. Really, really nice.
Really impressed with this room. It's, I don't know, it's another £700 more than a balcony, as a rule of thumb on this cruise anyway. We paid £2 for our balcony. This is about 2,700. But yeah, there you go.
Each or individual?
Combined.
So for 2 people.
Yeah, 2 people. So yeah, have a quick look on the balcony. Let's get a view out. Come on, let's go out there. Okay. I'll show you outside anyway. Yep. Over to us. So this is the balcony. It's literally, I'd say, I don't know, 6 meters wide. So yeah, very nice. You get 4 chairs, lots of tables, and a good view as well. Lovely view. So all the way in the back there you've got Azura, piano Azura sitting there. I wonder if it'll go at the same time. And then you've also got the Royal Princess as well, which is the new ship to be changed over around this territory, because I think they had a different ship for a while. But yeah, it's very nice. I like.